How to log in into TEMU app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can log in into the TEMU app very easily. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end to understand it. But before that, I want you to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's begin. So first of all, download the TEMU application on your device, and you just need to open the application or launch it, and you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're gonna do is simply click on this U option in the middle, and you should be able to see this sign in or register. Simply click on it, and if you don't have an account, you may just go on with the process like continue with Google, continue with Facebook, email, and sign in using your account and create a new account on TEMU. If you already have, in order to log in, that I have right now opened it with Google, so I'm just gonna go with the process of continue with Google. And after clicking on my Google account, what it does is it directly takes me to my TEMU account very easily. You just don't need to do anything, just follow that process, and just like that you should be able to log in your TEMU account very easily. So therefore this is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.